All right, quick update on this. Look at this foolishness. So replace the rear main seal, and just to make sure, filled up around that freeze plug, went around the oil pan, and went around the gasket for the oil pan to block. Is that excessive? Perhaps. But I absolutely positively do not want any type of seepage. So this will all be hidden. You won't see any of this except for this angle, which I think I can handle. And I believe that that'll give me a little bit better sealing, at least in the back section, so I'll know I don't have a rear main or anything coming from back here. So I don't know. Was never taught to do this. Maybe I'm wrong. Tell me in the comments what you think about it. I think it's going to come out and help me out in the long run once it cures by sealing all that up extra good. We'll see. Pilot bearing is in. Rear main seal's in. Now, getting ready to put on the mid plate and the brand new flywheel. And then we'll set up the clutch. Hopefully have the transmission in here in the next 20 minutes. We'll see. Hold on.